Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to teach you how to start crochet. I used hand-dyed cotton yarn both in Shopee and 3.5 mm hook both in Daiso, Japan by my cousin Marino's vlog. Then sa paggamit ng crochet hook, there are two ways sa paggamit ng crochet hook: pencil hold and knife hold. But I do prefer pencil hold like this. May marami rin ori ng crochet hook. May ganito at may steel lang, yung walang handle. Like this. Yung ganito, mabibili lang nyo to sa National Bookstore in Philippines. Yung like this. I bought this in Shopee. Mura lang to by set. But madali lang po siyang mapuputol yung handle. And this one, Susan-based yung brand. Mas maganda to sa mga Indophil yarn, polycotton, or fine cotton. Yung mga maliliit na strand. That's it. And we start not to make a foundation chain. To start, I slip knot like this from my right hand back, and this is the end of the yarn, and grab this yarn, pasulod like this. I-follow na nyo lang po guys, like this. Then put your hook and the slip knot like this. Hilahin yung not too tight lang po. Then para sa tension ng yarn, ipulupot nyo lang po sa maliit na daliri down to the pointer, then down the middle finger, then press nyo lang using your thumb para ma-adjust nyo po. To begin chaining, pasulod lang po yung hook like this, then pull over, grab it through the slip knot like this. Yarn over, pull through, and the slip knot like this. Yung tama lang po yung tension. Ano yung tawag nito? Just follow nyo lang po guys. Then practice ng practice until makuha nyo ito. Then in chaining, you need to count how many foundation chain you need for a project. Like this. Yarn over, grab it through the slip knot. 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 Count nyo lang po like this until masanay din po kayo. This is the hardest part to start. yung paglagay ng yarn, yung tension niya, like this. Ulit-ulitin nyo lang po until makuha niyo ng tama yung tension, yung sa slip knot and sa pag-chain. Okay? Then next po tayo, next is how to make a single stitch. Ito yung last chain, this one. Then we need to put the hook to the second chain. Lagay nyo lang to ganito. Then grab the yarn, pasulod sa V chain like this. Then you have na dalawa na yung, and grab the yarn, pull through the like this. Next, grab like this, yung single crochet. So, ulit-ulitin nyo lang to sa pag-practice hanggang masanay before we proceed to other type of stitch, and then you could proceed na to the desired project. Yung mga easy lang po, you can make a coin purse, headband, crochet shoes for babies. Yan po yung mga una kong ginagawa nung nagpa-practice pa lang po ako. Marami pong mga bagay-bagay na ating pwede ma-ganselyo. Yes. Ito na po yung hitsura ng single crochet. Ulitin nyo lang po sa umpisa hanggang masanay kayo sa paglupot ng yarn, sa pag-hold ng hook. Try nyo lang po kung saan kayo komportable, pencil hold or knife hold. Mabibili din nyo itong hook sa Daiso Japan. Mayroon din ito sa Shopee. Nakita ko to sa Shopee. Pero itong hook ko, pinabili ko lang to sa friend ko na si Marino's Vlog in Japan. Kasi mas mura lang dun. Kamura ako nga. Then itong hand-dyed cotton yarn sa Shopee. Mabango po siya. Then ito 100 gram for only, I forgot it, 100 pesos. And that's all for this video, guys. Please subscribe my channel and like this video, and ring the notification bell para updated po kayo sa next video ko. Next video, I'll teach you how to double crochet, half double crochet, then and so on and so forth. Basta sa pag-practice po, pwede nyo to unchain. Okay lang yan. Pwede na itong gamitin ulit. Slip stitch. And then, just repeat lang po sa video. And that's all, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.